Hey guys, hi, this is Abhishek, Master Teacher of Physics at Vedantu, and welcome to the special video series. I think we have done this webinar a lot of times already, where we have taken some amazing concepts into this particular webinar, not more than 2 to 3 concepts, but they were really helpful for a lot of students. How do I know that? Because I've got a lot of emails and messages from each and every one of you telling me that, sir, these questions were really helpful. Previously I used to score 70 or 80%, but now because of you that you have solved this many questions of different types, it has been really helpful. So I believe that the entire credit goes on you guys, which motivates me, because you are the guys who motivate me to bring up new questions every time, no matter easy or hard. Because if a question is easy to you, it might be difficult for someone else. If it is difficult for you, it might be easy for someone else, isn't it? So, but the main point here is we are trying to do as many varieties of problems through this master classes as far as possible, and that's what makes me really happy that all of you guys are also enjoying this. Now, all those students who don't know me, my name is Abhishek. I'm the Master Teacher of Physics at Vedantu. I personally handle the 9th and 10th grade, especially focus on the boards, and more than 500 students are being mentored under me for scoring high scores in the CBSE 10 standard. And बाकी तो पता ही होगा. तो hi guys, I could see a lot of highs coming on from the chat. Thank you so much guys for joining the session. You guys are superbly awesome. You guys are the best students which I ever got. Thank you so much for that. Let's move forward guys. So let's try to understand कि आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं. बहुत simple सी बात है. We'll follow the same routine which we already have. So if you focus right now here, you can see very clearly, as always, we are gonna go get into the detailed solution of previous year question papers. We're also gonna get कि once we solve all those questions, we'll also try to come up with tips and tricks to solve them in an easy manner, and also let know कि in questions को how can we verify few of the questions by without solving them, or while we are solving them how to know whether you're doing it right or not. Just imagine about the confidence which you will have in your CBSE 10 examination while you're writing it down in the paper कि अच्छा यार ये question सही है क्या, and you know you're very got to verify it, and then you know हाँ ये सही है. As simple as that, isn't it? And doing that will also let you know where to avoid your silly mistakes as far as possible. Shall we get on to that? Now, as always, before we start, you all know I try to motivate you a bit because this is a very tough time, as since all of you guys are doing really great. Before I get into that, I believe all of you guys remember that we always try to give you some surprise in this particular sessions where we tell you guys there is going to be an amazing course on CBSE class 10th exam revision where we solve a lot of amazing questions, amazing numericals and amazing concepts at the end of this particular academic year where you guys need it to be. And also there's a small surprise for all of you guys, my regular students on YouTube, which all of you guys know. There are many. I'm gonna give it to each and every one of them. Hi guys, once again. And you already know what is surprise, but for all the new students who are new to this particular webinar, you must know that there is surprise at the end of the day. Don't worry about it. Okay. Before we start, let's get into this particular code which I want to tell each and every one of you. A small kind of a thing which I wanted to say from long time. Tough times never last, but tough people do. And I know that each and every one of you guys are damn strong, and you will be able to do some amazing and crazy things in your life, especially in the CBSE 10. I trust each and every one of my students. Does not matter you are my regular student or you are my YouTube student, because all of you guys have crazy potential, isn't it? Give me a quick yes if you believe in you. If you believe that you can do it, give me a quick yes right now. Give me a quick yo right now. Great job. अमेजिंग अमेजिंग अमेजिंग, क्या बात है, बहुत बढ़िया. तो इसी के साथ इसी कॉन्फिडेंस को ध्यान में रखते हुए लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अ वेरी अमेजिंग क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन इज राइट हियर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू गाइस. लेट्स गो एंड लेट्स सी हाउ टू डू दिस प्रॉब्लम. फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन, एज यू कैन सी, इट्स अ वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. If you're writing it in the examinations, you can take 3 to 4 minutes, not a problem. But here right now, I'll give you max to max only 1 minute to do this problem. It's a very simple one. So my dear students, let's get it going. Go ahead guys. Very simple question. The equivalent resistance of the above circuit diagram is 4 ohms. Total resistance of this particular circuit is 4 ohms given to you. Calculate the value of X. That's all. ऑप्शन ए, ऑप्शन बी, ऑप्शन सी और ऑप्शन डी. क्या लगता है? 1 ओम, 2 ओम, 3 ओम और 4 ओम. क्या लगता है आप लोगों को? क्या इसका आंसर सही हो सकता है? क्या हो सकता है? आई एम गोना गिव यू गाइस एग्जैक्टली 30 more seconds. I could see some crazy answers coming up already. बहुत बच्चे सॉल्व कर चुके हैं. क्या बात है यार, मजा आ रहा है. You guys are doing really great. इतने जल्दी, क्या बात है. This is super cool. This is super proud. Okay, I could see a lot of A's coming up. I could see a lot of B's coming up, and C and D is also coming up. That's superb. All the options. You guys are smart, very smart. Okay, exactly 30 seconds more. Give your best shot. I don't want you guys to hurry burry. I do not want you guys to do a calculation mistake here, because this is all about calculations. Concepts, so I believe you will know now for sure. If you don't know, don't worry. We will do it together in just 1 minute now. Cool? Quickly do it, guys. Quickly. Go ahead. Go ahead. Exactly 15 seconds left. Exactly 15 seconds left. You can do it right now. Your time now ends in 10 seconds. I know it sounds like a time bomb, sir. I know that. कभी भी फट सकता है. तो get ready. In 5 seconds. Your time ends in 3, 2, and 1. Your time is done. And I really want to congratulate each and every one of you. तालियां हो जाए सबके लिए जिन्होंने इस क्वेश्चन को ट्राई किया करने के लिए. At least you attempted this. That's what is my proudest thing. Good job. You didn't give up, no? That's what is important. So let's not give up in this question because it's a very simple one. So let's try to solve it up. Now let it be freezed. Let's go forward. ठीक है? So as you can see, the important points have already marked and bold and made italic in the question already. The equivalent resistance of the above circuit. So equivalent resistance. यानी कि if I write down the total resistance of this circuit is already been calculated as 4 ohms. Simple. Now they are asking calculate this value of unknown resistance. ठीक है? Let's proceed the same way how we usually do. Now as we all know, the top circuit is in series. यानी कि 5 ohms और x ohms सीरीज में है, 8 ohms and 4 ohms सीरीज में है. Now many of the students have a doubt in this also. For all those students, let me give you a tip who have a doubt how to identify series and parallel circuits. I think in almost all my webinars where I've taken electricity as a chapter, I've told this particular part. It's very simple. First thing क्या करना है, दिमाग में एक ही चीज रखनी है. Just remember one thing. Wherever the current gets divided, that's a parallel circuit. Wherever the current is not getting divided, it's a series circuit. Simple. So how to find out in this scenario? Just connect this particular ends with a battery. Just connect with them. A और B के across है, तो wherever you see, you need to find out the equivalent resistance across A and B. Connect a battery with it. Once you connect it to a battery, you know this is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal, and the current always starts moving from where to where. If we focus, the conventional current always starts moving from positive negative, and we should always follow the conventional current. We should not follow the actual current. So from positive, the current starts flowing. Okay, current started flowing. It reached to point A. So imagine this current is current I. Exactly at this particular node A, the current gets divided into 2. यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे I1 and I2. Always remember one thing, that current is exactly like water. As water, as soon as it sees 2 pipes to flow, it flows through both the pipes. It never discriminates. No, ऐसा नहीं है कि okay, this pipe is very fair looking, this pipe is made up of aluminium, okay, let's move into that fair वाला part. ऐसा नहीं करता ना कभी. It moves with both of them. Same to same here also, current will not differentiate. Okay, this is copper, that is aluminium, I should only flow in copper. No, it sees both the wires and starts flowing through both of them. It's exactly like water. तो I1 और I2 हो गया. अब ये I1 आगे जाएगा. This I1 flows through both the resistances 5 and x, because there is no division. That means these two are in series. So let us calculate that. So series में होगा, so it's nothing but 5 plus x, that is the total resistance. 5 ohms plus x ohms, that is the total resistance of that particular path. At the bottom, what is it? Nothing but यहाँ पे I2 same flow हो रहा है, so this both are in series. Total resistance, that is 8 plus 4, so 8 plus 4, you will get nothing but 12 ohms. Awesome. So these both are in series. Now both of them, as you can see, I1 flows through top and I2 flows through bottom. Current is getting divided. In this scenario, since the current is getting divided, the top and the bottom part will be in parallel. This was a small tip for all of you guys to remember this scenario. So I1 and I2 separated. So let's calculate the total parallel resistance right now. What will be total parallel resistance? ऊपर वाले का resistance आपको मिला है how much? 5 plus x, and what is the formula for parallel resistance scenario? 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 gives you the total resistance, that is nothing but 1 by Rp. What is 1 by R1? Nothing but 1 by 5 plus x. This is the top R1 resistance. What is the R2 resistance, which you have already got? That is nothing but 12. So plus 1 by 12 will give you equal to 1 by Rp. So let us try to find out what is this Rp. Rp is given to you in the question 4 ohms. तो यहाँ पे Rp के बदले हम लिख देंगे स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड 4 ohms. That is the total resistance of the circuit. That is what we are going to find it right now. Parallel resistance is the total resistance to 4 ohms. लिख दिया हमने वहाँ पे. Now let us solve it. What is the only variable here? The only variable here is the x. Let's solve it quickly. Okay, cross multiplying. I take the LCM through cross multiplications. So I'm really sorry if you don't know that way. If you know the LCM way, go through the LCM way. I do cross multiplication. So 12 plus 5 plus x minus take. It will be 12 into 5, no 12 plus 5 plus x on the side, correct, bilkul, yes. So 12 plus 5 plus x divided by, you will get 12 into 5 plus x, which will be equal to 1 by 4. Now calculating the top part, you will definitely get 17 plus x, 17 plus x is equal to 1 by 4 divided by 12 5s are how much? You guys know that 12 5s are 60, 60 plus 12x. So 60 plus 12x, opening the brackets, is equal to 1 by 4. अब इन दोनों को भी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. Let's see what do we get. So cross multiplying this, I believe I did this correct. 12 plus 5, 17. Yeah, 17. So 17 4s is how much? 17 4s I believe you will get 7 4s. यहाँ पे कर देता हूँ. Yeah, I believe all of you can see this. So 7 4s are 28. 2 carry. 4 1s are 4. 68. So I got 68 plus x is equal to 60 plus 12x. 60 plus 12x, making it separate. ठीक है. So 68 plus 4x, I believe, no? Yes, plus 60 plus 12x. Solving this up, 12 plus 4, I think you will definitely get it as 16x. नहीं, वहाँ पे लेके जाना पड़ेगा. So if we bring it there, you will definitely get it as 8x, which is equal to 60 minus 68. Oh, sorry, 68 minus 60. You will definitely end it up as 8x is equal to 68 minus 60. That is nothing but 8. So 8 will be here. So x will be equal to 8 divided by 8. Hence x becomes equal to 1 ohms. That's it. So as I told you, it's all about mathematics, how to do this problem. It's not about anything else. So यहाँ पे गलती आपकी हो सकती है यहाँ पे LCM लेने के लिए. This is what I'm telling you, not to do any silly mistakes. That's why I'm telling you this, कि multiplication, cross multiplication or finding out the LCM, you might do a mistake. After that, you can do a mistake in the cross multiplication here. तो वो भी ना हो जाए, ध्यान से करना. मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक होनी नहीं चाहिए. एंड एट द एंड यू विल गेट इट एज x is equal to 1 ohm. I think we have an option A which gives us x is equal to 1 ohm. I believe you got that particular point. It's a very simple question again. Try to do it by yourself once again after this video, and I would request all of you guys to take a screenshot as quickly as possible. ले लिया? ठीक है. अब देखते हैं कि the thing which we have solved it was correct or not. So moving forward. Okay, yes, 1 ohm is the correct answer. Now quickly tell me how many of you guys got this question correct. Give me a cheer up, give me a high five. You all did really great. You all were superbly awesome. बहुत बढ़िया. You guys are superb, amazing. And people who couldn't get it, I believe you guys were able to do it with me. If in case you still have a doubt, let me know down in the comments down below after the masterclass. ठीक है? I will checking out the comments with the video. Cool. Okay. Moving forward. Let's do one more numerical, a very simple one, but it's a very good question. Again, this was kind of a hot question, kind of, or not that much. Let's move on to the next question. The question is right now here. It's a very interesting question, and try to solve this up. And it's a very famous 3-mark question from CBSE and also from ICSE. This is one of the common questions which both the standards get, both the boards get. So go ahead. CBSE वाले अगर एक क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं तो ICSE के लेवल पे है. ICSE वाले एक क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं तो CBSE और ICSE एक ही हो गए. तो कोशिश करो, लेकिन ICSE बहुत ज्यादा पढ़ते हैं, CBSE भी बहुत ज्यादा करते हैं. एक ही बात है, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. So go ahead guys. Please let me know what is the answer to this question right now, right here, and I will give you guys exactly 1 minute for this question, not more than that. As always, go ahead. So let me give you more time now. I'll see. Let me check it on the chat. कि कितने लोगों को सही आंसर मिल रहा है इस क्वेश्चन में. ट्राई टू डू इट इन 1 मिनट बिकॉज इज दैट सिंपल क्वेश्चन. बहुत जल्दी हो जाएगा ये, कोई डरने की बात ही नहीं है. कम ऑन गाइस. ओके, नाइस, गुड. आई कुड सी अ लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस कमिंग अप ऑलरेडी. बहुत बच्चे ऑलरेडी आंसर दे रहे. आई थिंक यू माइट बी गेसिंग इट अप, वरना यू आर प्रिटी फास्ट. यू आर लाइक फ्लैश, डूइंग ग्रेट, ऑसम. Okay guys, come on, go ahead. You can do it. It's a very simple question. Go ahead. Don't give up. Do not think that sir नहीं मिल रहा है तो कोई बात नहीं, करते रहो. and we'll be doing it together. Don't worry, previous question we did, no, same way we'll do this again, don't worry. Okay, you have exactly 30 seconds left, guys. I could see a lot of you guys telling me the majority has option C. I'm coming with a lot of option C already, and I'm getting a lot of A also. मुझे बहुत सारे B भी मिल रहे हैं. Good job, you are doing really great. Majority is telling me option C, about which I'm pretty happy about. You are doing really great. बहुत बढ़िया. ठीक है, exactly 20 more seconds, guys. You need to find out the current through 8 ohm resistor alone. You also need to find out the potential difference across that parallel combination of 12 ohms and 6 ohms. You also need to find out the current across that 6 ohm resistor also. So kindly go through it. You have exactly 10 seconds left. Let me know whether you're able to do this or not. If you're not able to do this, डरने की कोई बात नहीं, हम करेंगे एक साथ. The time ends in 10 seconds. It ends in 5 seconds. And my dear students, the time for all of you right now ends in 3, 2, 1, and the time is over. Carefully look into here, complete focus यहाँ पे. Let me tell you where you could do a mistake here and how to do this in the most efficient way possible. ठीक है, करते हैं. तो जल्दी से my dear students concentrate right now, right here. अब देखते हैं इसको कैसे करेंगे. ठीक है, बहुत सिंपल सी बात है. Calculate the current through 8 ohm resistor. तो obviously if we notice very carefully, let's try to find out कि इससे हमें, इस डायग्राम से हमें what are the things which you get inferred. सबसे पहले 8 ohms and this parallel combination is in series, correct? Because from the battery the current will come up. Let's imagine current I आ रहा है. From current I it passes through here, crosses 8 ohms, and exactly at this particular point it divides into two, I1 and I2, correct? तो लेकिन same current I know. This current only is flowing through I1 and I2, then it crosses part, right? So this and this both are in series, but both of these are in parallel, correct? Because I1 and I2 will combine back again here and it will give you I. तो यानी कि ये दोनों सीरीज में है लेकिन वो दोनों पैरेलल में है. तो लेट्स ट्राई टू सॉल्व दैट पार्ट अप. लेट मी टेल यू दिस. टू फाइंड आउट द करंट थ्रू 8 ohm resistor, if you find that out, to find it out, what do you need? You need the total resistance of the circuit. If you know the total resistance of the circuit, you know the total current flowing through the circuit. Since they both are in series, the same current will flow through 8 ohms and this parallel combination, correct? You know the voltage given to us 12 volts. So quickly find it out. What is the current through 8 ohm? First find it out the total resistance. So I'll quickly do it right now. You have the parallel connection. Let's solve the parallel connection first. That is, exactly if I start from here, you have 1 by 12 plus 1 by 6. If I calculate that up by cross multiplication as I do, I'll get 18 divided by 12 into 6. I'll get 6 ones are 6 threes are 3 ones are and 3 fours are. You'll be getting an answer of 1 by 4, that is 1 by Rp. Reciprocating it, you will get Rp is equal to exactly 4 ohms. तो आपको वहां का मिल गया 4 ohms. Now the series connection 8 ohms and 4 ohms कितना मिलेगा आपको? You will get the series connection 8 plus 4 is equal to 12 ohms, and this becomes your total resistance of this circuit. TR मिल चुका है आपको. Now we need to find out the total current in the circuit. How will you find out that? By using the Ohm's law. So now using the Ohm's law, you have V is equal to IR. You need to find out this I here. I will be equal to V upon R. V is nothing but 12 volts. R is got as 12 ohms. The answer for I becomes 1 ampere. Simple scenario. 1 ampere you have got it, and since both this resistor circuits are in series to each other, through 8 ohm resistance 1 ampere flows. Through the parallel combination 1 ampere flows through both 12 and 6 ohms. Divide कैसे भी हो रहा हो I1 I2 में, लेकिन the total current across that circuit will be still 1 ampere. Perfectly correct, guys. You got that part right. Now that means option B and option D are out of the picture. So option A और option C में एक हो सकता है. Let's check it out, which is that. Potential difference across the parallel combination of 6 ohm and 12 ohm resistor. Simple, right? You know the total resistance of this particular parallel combination. That is nothing but R is equal to 4 ohms. That's what we have got. That is the parallel combination ka total resistance. Simple scenario. Now we know the current passing through the total parallel combination. That is nothing but 1 ampere. Let's find it out. So I is equal to 1 ampere. Now it is asking us what is the potential difference only in this part. Because how can there be a potential difference only across this particular part? There is only one answer. Since 8 and that parallel combination are in series to each other, in series the current 1 ampere is constant, but in series the potential difference varies across the resistors. तो यहां पे 8 ohms पे और ये पूरा पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन का जो सर्किट है उसके अक्रॉस पोटेंशियल अलग होंगे. सो इफ वी टेक दिस पोटेंशियल एज V1 across 8 ohms and if we take the potential across this parallel combination as V2, we need to find out V2 according to the question. Let's find out V2. The total resistance across second circuit is R2 is equal to 4 ohm. Current is constant, it's in series. So V2 according to Ohm's law is IR2 and answer will be nothing but 1 into R2 is 4. So answer comes out to be 4 volts. Nothing but as simple as that. Now if you have any doubts about this, whether sir this answer is right or not, you can do one more very simple thing. We know this V1 plus V2. V1 plus V2, the total potential difference. Now I'm telling you a way to how to verify your answer. V1 plus V2, the total potential, how much should it be? Give me the answer. Yes, you know the answer, it must be 12 volts. So V1 plus V2 should always give you 12 volts. तो यानी कि अगर मैं 8 ohms का निकाल दूं, if I try to find out V1, how much should I get? V1 के अक्रॉस मैं सेम करूंगा. We'll try to find out V1 is equal to IR1. R1 तो I know it is nothing but sir 8 और I तो हमें मिल चुका है 1. So V1 will be equal to 8 volts. So V1 is 8 और हमें V2 मिला है 4. 8 plus 4 12. So your answer is correct. You are proudly knowing that your answer is correct. Many students ask me in the this master classes. I have seen many students asking me, sir, in the examination we don't get the MCQs, right? We don't get the options. So how shall we know? It's pretty simple. You at least know by the verification method कि हाँ ये आंसर आना चाहिए मुझे. Simple सी बात. Correct. So that means option A और option C में दोनों 1 ampere और 4 volt है. So it's not decided yet. Let us try to find out the third part right now. Third part is current through the 6 ohm resistor. Current only through the 6 ohm resistor. It's pretty simple, है ना? We know the parallel combination के across voltage कितना है? 4 volt. We know resistance is 6 ohm. We'll find out the current. Sorry, we'll find out the current across only 6 ohm. I is nothing but equal to V upon R. That is according to Ohm's law. V is nothing but 4 divided by 6. 4 divided by 6 is always 0.67. It will be 0.66666. It will be good as 0.67, and hence option C becomes the correct answer. And my dear students, take a screenshot of this as soon as possible क्योंकि मैं अब जा रहा हूँ आगे. And let us check it out कि whether the answer which we got was correct or not. By looking at this, exactly correct. Option C is the damn perfect answer. People who got this correct answer correctly, great job, man. You guys are superbly amazing. You guys are superb. Great work, guys. Great work. सही है? मजा आ रहा है? 2 questions properly done. We took enough amount of time. इतना टाइम नहीं लेना चाहिए था, I know. लेकिन I thought कि यार मुझे जो भी क्वेश्चन लिया है मैंने, I should explain very deeply ताकि each and like similar kind of questions if you get in examination, you know the basic concepts, everything. ठीक है? Moving forward, guys. Now, as in the starting I have told you that there is a surprise for all of you guys. People who know about it crazy well, people who don't know about it, I should tell you right now. Along with the CBSE 10th examination course, there will be one more add-on to it, and that add-on will be nothing but a 2-year IIT JEE long-term course starting right from with your 11th and 12th. And if you notice very carefully, there will be 9 sessions per week, each for 1 hour and 45 minutes. And the best part about this is the entire syllabus of class 11th will be completely completed by the end of December this year 2019, and the entire syllabus for 12th will be completed by October 2020. And after that, if you notice, all the concepts and the chapters related to JEE, CBSE boards and main and IIT JEE advanced will be taught in that particular perspective to score the maximum marks in boards as well as JEE as a balance. ठीक है, ताकि बोर्ड में मार्क्स हमें ऐसा नहीं होगा, डरने की बात नहीं है. And after that, obviously the module consists of practice objective part, IIT JEE papers and tests, and full syllabus for IIT JEE tests as well. So there are amazing things. There is a separate test series also for JEE, and that is for the long-term course. The course which you need it right now is a CBSE class 10th examination revision course, which is going to happen very soon. I'll tell you the details about that, how to get the details. But before that, you should know that we have dedicated 60 hours of time to tell all of our students about this basic concept. 30 hours will be dedicated to mathematics, where all the important concepts will be covered in detail. And also we have 10 hours, 10 hours and 10 hours each for physics, chemistry and biology. We also have SST, social studies and English, and you can check all of them out in this particular link which I'll be sharing to you at the end. Apart from this, the course features are amazing. You will get each and every session's recording after the session so that you can review it until your examinations. Even after that, if you have any doubts, again and again you can watch the replay. You can get the session notes. You can also get the handwritten notes by the teachers while we are taking the session, and after that it will be complete, and completely the teachers and the students will be in touch 24/7. Many students are here from my CBSE class and revision batches, and they know that's why they are here, that it's working out really well, isn't it? और इसके आगे मैं details बताऊंगा at the end, so don't worry. Before I tell you about this particular details, let me see how many of you guys can give me the answer to this question right now here. Now this is a proper HOTS question. तो यहाँ पे पहले बात, बच्चों को कॉन्सेप्ट याद होना चाहिए, and they also need to come up with a very interesting way to relate multiple concepts together. So for this question, I think I shall give you 2 minutes proper. Go ahead, let me know how many guys can do it. If someone is able to tell me the answer right now, I'm not gonna accept it, क्योंकि obviously इसको करने के लिए minimum trained person will take 2 minutes, but as students, since you might be facing this question for the first time, you will take properly 3 to 5 minutes for sure. So check it out, guys. Think about the questions, very simple, and see how fast you can do this. And many people are trying it out. Good job, guys. Go ahead, very quickly go ahead. Two devices of rating 44 watts and 220 volt, and 11 watts and 220 volts are connected in series. So there are two bulbs, I believe. Yeah, there are two devices. Let's take it as two bulbs are connected in series. The combination is connected across a 440 volt main. I don't think that's relevant. It's completely fine. The fuse of which of the two devices, both of them have fuses in them, is likely to burn when the switch is on. मतलब मैंने switch on किया, ऐसा कौन सा डिवाइस होगा जो सबसे पहले जिसका फ्यूज उड़ जाएगा? कौन सा फ्यूज होगा? Think about this. So if you're thinking in this particular manner कि किस बल्ब का फ्यूज उड़ेगा, then you'll come back down कि फ्यूज कैसे उड़ सकता है. अब सोचो, अब आगे बढ़ो. Now you will keep thinking. So this is why I'm telling you, you will take properly 2 minutes. So keep thinking. It's a very good question. Let me know whether the 44 watt बल्ब का पहले उड़ेगा कि 11 watt का पहले उड़ेगा, कि both at the same time उड़ेंगे, कि okay, let me cancel out option D. Option D is not relevant at all. Option D is not relevant, guys. Do not think about option D at all. Option D को निकाल देते हैं. It's not existing. Really sorry for that. Rupees 135 it seems. Come on, guys, go ahead. You can actually answer this question fast. Come on. ठीक है? Think systematically. You have exactly 1 minute left. Think very systematically. I have told you the way how to proceed. If you are getting the way, you have understood the hint, proceed to the same way, you'll get to know. Just remember the key point here is to burn wala part. I'm already getting a lot of answers already. क्या बात है? Many people are going with option B. You think so? Good. Before I solve this, I'll also tell you how to do this mentally. How to be prepared mentally here. Go ahead. अच्छा. Many of you guys telling me option A also. Obviously, there are many less number of students who are telling me option C. लेकिन D तो है भी नहीं. D जो देगा ना, very bad लगेगा. So I'm getting a lot of answers option B. अच्छा, ठीक है. A भी बहुत बच्चे दे रहे हैं मुझे. Okay, guys, I'll give you guys exactly 30 more seconds to do this problem. Not more than that. If you need more time, pause the video as soon as possible. Go ahead, guys. Okay, interesting. Cool. 20 seconds left. I'm getting very good answers, and a lot of you guys are giving me. I'm so happy about that. Great job. Okay, exactly 10 seconds left, guys. Exactly 10 seconds left. It's a very good question. Try it out as fast as possible. I'll try to explain it in the most detail as possible and covering a lot of concepts ताकि आपका theory और numerical एक साथ cover हो जाए अच्छे से. So go ahead. Okay, you have 5 seconds left, guys. Your time ends in 3, 2, and 1. Your time is up for the final time today. Let's just focus. सब लोग यहाँ पे focus. Let's try to calculate. सबसे पहले I'll tell you how to do this problem mentally. We all know when the voltage is constant, there is a formula between power and resistance. Correct? Between power and resistance. So if we calculate that, power will be equal to V square upon R. That is the formula. When the voltage is constant, we'll always take this formula. We'll not take P is equal to I square R. No, we'll not do that. If the current is constant, then you can take that. But when the voltage is constant, we'll take P is equal to V square upon R. As you can see, voltage 220 constant है दोनों बल्ब्स के लिए. So पावर और रेजिस्टेंस इनवर्सली रिलेटेड है, यानी कि जिस पावर का रेजिस्टेंस मतलब जिस डिवाइस का रेजिस्टेंस ज्यादा होगा, पावर उसका कम होगा. ऐसी बात बोल रहा हूं. तो यहां पे अगर आप देखोगे इन दिस सिनेरियो, पावर यहां पे दो है, 44 एंड 11. तो पावर किसका ज्यादा है? 44 का पावर ज्यादा है, रेजिस्टेंस कम होगा. फिर 11 वॉट कम है 44 से, रेजिस्टेंस ज्यादा होगा. नाउ व्हाई एम आई टॉकिंग अबाउट रेजिस्टेंस एंड पावर? बिकॉज द टॉपिक इज विच विल बर्न. हाउ विल यू नो विच विल बर्न फास्टर? You can know only in the perspective of heat energy evolved. If your heat energy is high in the wire, according to Joule's law of heating, then it will burn faster. So according to our Joule's law of heating, as all of you guys should know the formula, H is equal to I square RT. As you know, heat evolved, heat emitted or heat generated in a wire is directly proportional to the resistance. जिसका resistance ज्यादा, वो पहले ज्यादा हीट होगा, और जो ज्यादा हीट हुआ, that will fuse off early. Simple. तो यहां पे you have understood that the 11 watt bulb has higher resistance. Since its resistance is high, and अभी now you'll be thinking sir time और current का क्या? यहां पे देखो, both of them are connected in series. Series में current remains constant. So for both of them, the current will be constant. So current does not matter. Time, they are asking us कि दोनों का same time में कौन सबसे पहले burn होगा. तो time also is constant. Current and time, that means it's not the factor which are gonna affect here. The only factor which is affecting here is the resistance. Hence, resistance 11 watt का ज्यादा है, तो burn भी पहले 11 watt होगा. We didn't solve this. We are just thinking this कि हाँ ऐसा होना चाहिए. So now you are confident. Okay, at the end of the day, when I find out heat energy for this question, 11 watt bulb का heat energy हमारे 44 watt bulb से ज्यादा आना चाहिए. Correct? Let's try to find it out. Cool. Okay, so I believe all of you guys got this particular scenario. तो इस ध्यान को ध्यान में रखते हुए, according to our verification, 11 watt should be correct. ठीक है? Now we are proceeding. So we understood we need to find out two heat. That is heat from the 44 watt. So मैं यहां लिख देता हूं 44 is equal to I square R 44 watt का टाइम. I और टाइम सेम है ना, इसलिए. और मुझे फाइंड करना है H11 which is equal to I square R 11T. मुझे रेजिस्टेंस 11 वाला वॉट का चाहिए, एंड आई शुड नीड द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ 44 वॉट आल्सो. सो आई नीड टू फाइंड आउट ओनली दिस टू रेजिस्टेंसेस. एंड टाइम तो मुझे दिया होगा, टाइम कैंसिल, द फ्यूज ऑफ विच ऑफ द टू डिवाइस इज लाइकली टू बर्न when the switch is turned on. जस्ट ठीक है, टाइम देख लेते हैं, और उसके अलावा करंट हमें फाइंड करना है. सो लेट्स ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द करंट वैल्यू. कूल, लेट्स ट्राई टू डू दिस. सो हमें दो चीज फाइंड करनी है, करंट दोनों के लिए सेम, रेजिस्टेंस दोनों का. ठीक है, let's try to find it out. So how to find out the resistance? We all know one simple scenario. We know the direct formula, that is equal to P is equal to V square upon R. तो यहाँ पे वोल्टेज सेम है, रेजिस्टेंस निकालना है, तो सबसे पहला फॉर्मूला ले लेते हैं, P44 and R44. Let's try to find the resistance. So R44 will be equal to V square upon P44, and V square is nothing but how much? 220 into 220. So 220 into 220 is divided by what is R44? Resistance 44 हमें find करना है, and this P44 is nothing but 44. Simple scenario. Correct? Correct. So here we can very clearly see. मैं क्या कर लेता हूँ? 220 into 220 is how much? I think it's 4840. Correct? 48400 I believe. 2022 is 4840. Otherwise you can always do one thing, we'll divide by 2. So 2 11s are 0, and 2 22s are 22 1s are 22 10s are. So you have, yes, so you have got the value of resistance here, that is nothing but 11 10 na, 1100 ohms. So this is the R44 value. तो अब यहां पे जब मैं सिमिलरली इफ आई फाइंड आउट R11 का वैल्यू, I should definitely get a value more than this क्योंकि resistance उसका ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. Correct? Let's try to find it out. So R11 would be equal to nothing but again V square upon P11. So V square is nothing but again 220 into 220. So 220 into 220 divided by what is P11? P11 is nothing but 11 watts. Correct? So 11 watt लिख दिया. It's pretty simple now again. 11 ones are 11 twos are 20 हो गया. So 22 into 22 is nothing but about 44. So 44 plus 2 zeros ohms. As you can see, your R11 has a greater value than power formula R44. So till now your answer is coming out to be good. यहां तक आपका आंसर बहुत सही चल रहा है. अब हमें फाइंड करना है total current of this circuit. So we have found out these two. Now we need to find out this current. Let's try to find out the current. ठीक है, quickly. So we know that R11 is this, R44 is this. The total resistance of this circuit would be nothing but the addition of these two because both of them are in series. Let's try to calculate. So it will be R11 plus R44. You will get the answer as nothing but 4,400 plus 11,100 is nothing but 5,500 ohms. That is the total resistance of this circuit. We know the total voltage of this circuit. I believe that is 440. Let's try to find out what is the total current of this circuit then. So according to the Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So I will be equal to V upon R. V is equal to how much? 440. 440 divided by 5,500. 0, 0 cancel. Let's divide by 11 ones. So 11 fours are 11 fives are and 0. करेक्ट. सो इट्स 4 by 50. 4 by 50 को डिवाइड करते हैं. अब एक काम करते, अब ले लेते हैं. ओके 4 by 50 करते हैं. सो 4 डिवाइड बाई 50 2 से डिवाइड कर देते हैं. 2 2s are 2 25s are बराबर. सो 2 डिवाइड बाई 25. आई थिंक द वैल्यू विल कम आउट टू बी 0.08 or something, isn't it? Yes. So the value will come out to be nothing but 0.08 amperes. That will be the total. Yes, it will be 0.08 amperes for the total current value. तो हमें अभी I मिल चुका है, हमें अभी R मिल चुका है. अब फाइंड आउट करते हैं. करना है क्या? We need to find out the total heat. Let's do that. So yes, moving on to the total heat right now. So we need to find out first H44. So H44 में हमें मिला था I is right now 0.08 का whole square into your resistance which we found out right now for this H44. 44 वोल्ट वाले बल्ब का था 1100 into the time taken. Let's not talk about the time. अब यहां पे हम दे देते हैं H11. H11 का आपका जो वैल्यू था वो था नथिंग बट 0.08 स्क्वायर into 4400 into time. Now if I take a ratio of this, you will definitely see 0.08 और 0.08 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. टाइम और टाइम कैंसिल हो जाएगा. आपको क्या बचेगा? आपको मिलेगा H44 divided by H11. The ratio is equal to 1100 divided by 1400. That is nothing but 1100 ones are 1100 fours are. Correct. So that means your value here, I'll tell you now, if we cross multiply, you will get nothing but H44 into 4 is equal to H11. What does this mean? That means the heat generated by the 11 watt power bulb is actually 4 times greater than the H44 bulb. That means H11 is greater than H44. You don't have to find out the value. Once you did this, you know that option B is correct because heat is generated more by 11 watt bulb. Simple scenario. Correct. So this was a proper HOTS question, and this question is a proper 5-mark question because we need to find out the current, you need to find out the resistance, you need to find out the heat, and once you know that, you conclude it. So a proper 5 marks question coming as a HOTS question. I believe you guys understood this particular part, and you guys, it was a very enjoyable question, and it was amazing to tell you guys about all these concepts also, which you might or might not have heard. It was amazing, guys. You guys all did great, but let's finalize whether we got the correct answer or not. And the answer comes out to be yes. You got it right. Exactly correct. 11 watt is the correct answer, and all of you guys who did it, give me a quick high five. You did amazingly well. क्या बात है, बहुत बढ़िया guys. 11 watt bulb is the perfectly correct answer. Awesomely well done. Please take a picture of this homework. It's a very simple homework. 9 ohm resistance is cut into 3 equal parts and connected in parallel. Find the equivalent resistance of the combination. A very simple question. similar to this question in the NCERT also, but this is a board question. So let me know how to do this problem on the comments down below. I personally reply to all the comments. If you have not replied to a comment yet, I'm really sorry, but I'll be definitely doing it. And my dear students, please get it going and let me know how to do this problem. Cool? Okay, and plus, if you really love this particular session, please do let me know, guys, on this email ID. You can also let me know on this particular comments down below. I'll be really waiting for all of you guys replies and all of you guys comments on the videos. I'll be waiting for your emails because I reply to all of them. I love seeing all of your feedbacks. If you truly love these videos, let me know. If you didn't like the videos, also let me know you didn't like. And let me know one more thing, कि next video में कौन सा topic लूँ. This topic I took again because many of you guys asked me, sir, take much more extra numericals from electricity. We need practice. That's why I took it over. So the next time, majority of you guys, which topic you tell me, I'm going to take that up and also let me know how was the sessions. Okay, guys. So until the next session, you guys were superbly amazing. Until the next session, this is Abhishek, Master Teacher of Physics at Vedantu. Bye bye. Take care. Enjoy your life.